Hello everyone, welcome to this video on what's in my Dorothy Perkins red bag. This was featured in my other video of my Dorothy Perkins collection, so I won't talk too much about the details of that. I'll just show you what I can fit inside the bag. I took this bag with me to Southend-on-Sea, which is another video that I'm doing about my bank holiday trip to Southend-on-Sea. So firstly, this bag was really comfortable. I had a lot in it. This really helped as the chain doesn't dig in then with this bit on your shoulder. This is what I had inside. I had a wallet, card holder, a coin pouch, a battery bank and some lip gloss. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my Radley purse. I've had this for about 2.5 years. This is the back of it. Radley London's a really good brand. I have a few things from them. I feel they're like really good quality and it's not too expensive. And just quick open. This is the card section with little slip pockets here and notes at the top. I'm going to put notes on at the top here, and the back little zip pocket is for coins. There's two lots of card holders, yeah, and I have a picture of, oh, wrong way. I have a picture of my favourite cat, Bob. The next thing in my wallet is again featured in my other video from Osterley Park. I got this when I visited there from the stable shop. I put coins in here. Got quite a lot of coins. Don't know if you can see. Got a lot of change recently from shopping, I guess, and I just thought I'd use it up if I'm buying something in Southend. So I carry that in my Osterley Park neck purse. This is real leather as well, like this one. Next thing is the battery bank. This is from JP Morgan. I got this at an event, so I brought this out with me in case I need to charge my phone while I was out. In case you're wondering why I didn't put the coins in here, it's because there's already coins in here and I have that much that I needed another purse to put it in. This is a card holder from Dorothy Perkins. It's blue. It has my Oyster card, 16 to 25 rail card and my ticket, rail ticket. I took the train there. I had this lippy that I got, I think, the Christmas before, French Connection lip gloss. I think it's quite good. With this, there's like a brush at the end and you turn it at the other end, and the liquid, as it's a lip gloss, runs through to the brush. I'm trying to figure out which end is the there we go. So this is the brush. As you can see, there's some on it. You need to probably wash it, and you turn it here at the other end and then you just apply it onto your lips. The next thing that I brought with me was, that's just the ticket receipt, is my Nivea lip shine or lip moisturizer. This is quite new. I only started using this about 2 weeks ago. I think it's okay. It's not as good as my Body Shop one, I say. My Body Shop pomegranate one. but this one is still okay, and the strawberry scent is quite nice on it. I'll put that in the zip pocket, and this is the cable for the power bank. This is the iPhone charger, and then if you take this off, it has the normal universal one for Samsung and other smartphones. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it.